The pursuit of perfection, the distinction of quality, the ambition of creating a world class. We are Oneness. Oneness Control Panels Private Limited. We are the manufacturer of various sorts of control panels with a system for design, engineering, manufacturing and testing that was founded in 1998 with the goal of assisting the automation revolution. We create and provide excellent products that are widely recognized in almost every production process. Fabrication of control panels in MS and SS using our exceptional design and technical skills. We provide 360-degree services under one roof at the most reasonable costs without sacrificing quality. Our goal is to be a preferred vendor for all process industries such as dairy, food, oil, beverages, breweries, water industry, distilleries, packaging industry, DG sets, firefighting engine, compressors, and as per client specifications. Within our company, we strive to be the preferred workplace for our employees. Oneness Control Panels Private Limited is devoted to developing and improving performance in order to help customers, suppliers, and society. Oneness's key ideals are the preservation of corporate ethics and excellence. We feel we are the one in terms of our products, services, support and commitment to customers, society and the environment. We have 1 lakh square feet land in which we build a 45,000 square feet shop floor space with a fully equipped production and testing system and over 200 plus well-trained employees and technicians. In addition to our current plant, we have a newly created 24,000 square feet shop floor space for OEM customers. Our core values include committed and professional people, OEM product delivery to clients all over the globe, and long-term relationships with customers and suppliers. The following are our facilities of ERP system for procurement and production, ISO documentation for QMS, E-Plan and AutoCAD design software for engineering, well-equipped manufacturing engineering workshop, panel testing facilities with simulation of field instruments, in-house facility of fabrication with mild steel, MS and stainless steel SS 304 and 316, powder coating plant within the campus. We are certified for CE, which is mainly used to supply in European countries, UL and CUL certification, which is used for supply in American and North American countries and Canada. OHSMS, World Occupational Health and Safety Management Certificate. CPRI certificates for panel fabrication comply with IP55 and Short Circuit 65 KA for 1 sec fault level and Rital System Integrator for Reline 60 and Re4 Power Solution with IEC 61439. We offer a range of products such as PCC panels, MCC panels, PLC and RIO panels, instruments and mimic panel, starter panel, pneumatic control panels, RCP and junction box, module panels, genset, AMF panels and firefighting panels. With our distinctiveness, we are creating the finest future possible. We are creating products of outstanding quality for a brighter future.
To be the biggest! To be the biggest! To be the brightest! We are Oneness!
Oneness Control Panels Private Limited.